Hi there, students. To concur, or as a noun, a concurrence, or an adjective, concurrent, to make it into an adverb, concurrently. Okay, concur works in various different ways. The first and easiest meaning is to agree in opinion, to have the same opinion, to have a common opinion. I concur with what she says. Do the rest of you concur? Do you agree? Okay, to concur, to work or act together to make something happen. But this normally talks about factors or actions. To add up, to give a conclusion. So several factors concurred to make us cancel the project. Firstly, there were low levels of public interest. Secondly, there was limited finance available. And then thirdly, lockdown started. So these three factors worked together to make us cancel the project. Okay, so different factors working maybe with synergy to make something happen. And then finally, to concur, to occur at the same time, simultaneously. High winds concurred with torrential rain, and that made travel very difficult. So both of them happened at the same time. A double whammy is a concurrence of two serious events. There were several sporting events taking place concurrently at the same time. Notice as well, you can actually also use this concur, meaning to meet in the same place. So a crossroads is where various roads concur. They meet together. Okay, so to concur, to agree. Do you concur with what I say? Most teachers concur that translation from your native language is not a good thing. To concur, different factors working together. You don't normally use this with people concur. The different things concur to give a result. Our efforts must concur, must work, it must give us synergy. Our actions should concur to show a united front. And then to concur, to happen at the same time. Okay, it's two concurrent events, the events concurred, or even to meet in the same place. Now, to concur is a regular verb. He concurred with what I said. Several events have concurred to make us change our mind. Okay, what about formality? I think this is probably slightly formal. I'd probably give it something like 6.5, probably a 7 in formality. I don't think I would use to concur in an informal conversation in the pub. Do you agree with me? Agree would be a much better word. To act together, a much better formal thing, or to happen at the same time, simultaneous. Okay, this verb to concur comes from Latin, concurro. Con, together, run together, agree, to crash into each other. Okay, so to concur. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Concur.